Most cyclists don't realize their $4,000 specialized tarmac and a $1,200 Chinese frame were likely baked in the exact same factory. Trek Specialized and Giant don't weave their own carbon. They use factories like Topkey and A-Pro. Should you skip the middleman and buy direct in 2026? Yes, but beware. Let's look at the legit direct tier. The Winspace SLC 2.0 is $1,200 for 780 G of UCI legal carbon. SEKA Spear and Elves Falath offers similar insane spec per dollar value. Here's the mistake most people make: confusing established direct brands with unbranded AliExpress specials. Brands like Winspace do real wind tunnel and ISO testing. Generic frames don't. Never trust your dental work to unbranded carbon. The $400 savings isn't worth catastrophic failure at 40 miles per hour. You get 90% of flagship performance for half the price. But here's the reality check. You give up dealer support, and warranty claims require shipping your frame internationally. This brings us to the build cost trap. A $1,200 frame sounds cheap until you add in $800 group set, $600 wheels, and $400 in cockpit and finishing kit. Suddenly, your budget bike costs $3,000. You simply cannot beat the bulk purchasing power of massive bike brands. For comparison, a complete 2026 Canyon Endurace C F7 is $2,800. It arrives assembled with a domestic warranty. For most people, a complete direct-to-consumer bike is much safer. If you want Chinese direct value without the custom-build hassle, look at the Yolio R12. At $1,500 complete with 105 Die 2, it absolutely crushes major brands. Here is your decision framework. Buy a Chinese frame set like Winspace only if you are an experienced home mechanic who knows your exact millimeter geometry. If you want hassle-free ownership, or if this is your first serious carbon bike, buy the complete Canyon. The peace of mind is worth it. Do the math before you build.